So I've had this machine for less than 5 months, or I should say the problem that I'm about to show you guys has been happening for about 2 or 3 months now. And I've only had this machine since, yeah, I think I bought it like 4 or 5 months ago. And this is what happens. So you turn it on. And nothing works. According to Miele or Miele, whatever you pronounce it, they're going to have to replace this whole thing here, and it's been over a month, and nobody is telling me when they're going to come exactly. They have no idea when the part's going to be ready for them to come and replace it. And nobody bothered calling me to let me know when, until I decided to give them a call and try to find out what's going on. And yes, I tried resetting, I tried unplugging and plugging it back in several times. Nothing works.